Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up grading for your guys' tests using our Google Forms. So I'm going to use the Unit 1 test as an example, since that should be the one that you guys are going to be grading. I don't have all the information, so I'll show you how to set it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when everything actually runs. So now once you've actually given a test, when you go into your particular folder, so I'm going to go into Alicia's here, you'll see that you have this file right here. This is the spreadsheet that has all of your students' actual tests in them. So again, don't let this video leak out. Nothing's actually graded, but we do have student information in here. So this is just for you two. Both Tracy and Alicia, and I will email this to you guys. So now when I look at this, I don't have any actual grades in there. So what I am going to do is I am going to go to, I never remember where it is. I need an add-on, and I'm going to get my add-on. And then in the search, I'm going to type in Flubaroo. F-L-U-B-A-R-O-O. So you can see it right there. That is what you want to type in. Hit the enter, and Flubaroo is what you want to use. Okay, so once you install this, and I'll do this, so Alicia, on your first one, it'll be on here. And I will probably do the same thing on Tracy for you to get this installed. So I'm going to hit that plus button. You want to accept all of those things. Don't worry about it and allow them. So now this Flubaroo will pop up. We're going to get rid of that announcements. Alright, so we're good. Here's Flubaroo under add-ons now. So I'm going to grade the assignment. Now to grade this, you have to actually go into the form and take the test like a student. When you take the test like the student does, for the student name, type in answer key. So that way it'll show up. I'll show you what that looks like in another one, but that way it'll show up as one of these students right here with all of these that are turned in. It'll say answer key under student name. So we can go in, we can look at the actual scoring. So with normal grading, student's name, instructor name, you can set points if you want to change points. I always leave things 1, but you have that option. So you would leave all of those points, get that set up, hit the continue button. So now it's going to ask which submission should be used as the answer key. So you should have done a submission yourself, and under student name it should say answer key. So you would go in and you would choose that one. Okay, I'm not going to actually do this now in this one. I'll go into another one here and show you what that looks like. So this is Alicia's test. I've already added Flubaroo. I'll do that to yours, Tracy, for this first time. So again, you'll just go to add-ons, and I'll put Flubaroo on there. For your upcoming tests after Unit 1, you will have to put Flubaroo on there yourself by going to the add-ins, get add-ons, type it in. But this should speed it up for you just a little bit. So now if I go to, let's see, I don't really want to be on YouTube here, do I? Let's go in, go to my drive. We'll find one that's on here that's been run before. Let's see what we have. Let's go into the IED class. I know this one should have something in there. Semester exams. We can look at that one. Take a look at responses. So again, this is so you can see what it looks like. So now you can see right down here, this is the one that I did. I went to that form just like the students would, and I answered the questions just like the students would. I just put under name, I put answer key, and then I put all the correct answers in. So now, if I go through and I run a regrade, I'm going to go through those same steps that I was showing you. And you can also, if you're not sure how to use Flubaroo, if you run to YouTube type in Flubaroo, they have a little overview video, shows you how to run this. Okay, so I'll run to the video here, and this will walk you through. I will include that link in the email.